Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric race car tracks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a thrilling racing experience for your kids or a nostalgic pastime for yourself, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Jumplanma Slot Car Racetrack Set. This product is packed with everything you need to start racing, including 4 cars, 2 steering wheel style controllers, and an impressive 28-foot-long track. The track design is longer than most competitors, providing ample space for exciting high-speed races. The cars are capable of reaching speeds of up to 370 miles per hour, delivering a thrilling experience for kids and adults alike. Plus, the controllers come with sound effects that add an immersive touch to the races. The design is robust and durable, featuring a straightforward assembly process that allows users to quickly set up the track and jump into the action. The 2 power modes, electric or battery-powered, make this set versatile for both at-home use and on-the-go racing. However, the large track size may require more space than other products, which could be a downside for some users. While the Jumplanma set offers good performance and a wide range of features, its higher weight, 5.26 pounds, and slightly lower customer rating of 4.2 stars indicate that it may not be as easy to handle or as well received as some other sets. This set is ideal for families looking for a track that facilitates group play and extended racing sessions. The main drawback is the lack of additional features like LED lights or innovative track designs, which some competitors offer. Coming in at number 4 is the FedEnac Slot Car Racetrack Set. This product features a compact 11-foot track that includes a variety of layouts like simple straight tracks, curved tracks, and circular designs. The set comes with 2 high-speed slot cars capable of achieving speeds between 300 and 370 miles per hour. It's equipped with an automatic lap counting function, which tracks the race in real time, making this a great option for competitive play. The design is lightweight at only 2.97 pounds, making it easy to transport and assemble. While the track length is shorter than others on this list, it still provides plenty of excitement for kids aged 6 to 10. The enhanced magnetism ensures the cars stay on the track, but users need to slow down during turns to avoid derailments. With 2 power modes, electric or battery-powered, this set is versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor use. The FedEnac set excels in portability and ease of use, but its main limitation is the shorter track length, which may not satisfy those looking for extended racing sessions. The customer rating of 4.2 stars is solid, and the product is well-suited as a gift for younger kids or families looking for a more compact racing option. However, it lacks the bells and whistles like LED lights or additional track features that could elevate its appeal. At number 3, we have the McCready Slot Car Racetrack Set. This set features an 18.4-foot track with a variety of layouts, including straight tracks, curved sections, and a 360-degree circular segment. The track is easy to assemble thanks to its locking system, and the magnetism is enhanced to keep the cars on the track during high-speed races. Speaking of speed, the 1/64 scale cars can reach up to 370 miles per hour, delivering an exhilarating racing experience. This set includes 2 controllers that allow users to adjust speed, making it easier to navigate turns and avoid crashes. It's designed for 2-player racing, and the automatic lap counter adds a competitive edge to the game. The set also comes with extra brushes for the cars, which can be replaced as needed to maintain performance. While the design is durable and well-constructed, the weight of 4 pounds is slightly heavier than other compact sets. The McCready Slot Car Set is a great option for families and kids aged 6 to 12 who want the thrilling and competitive racing experience. However, its customer rating of 4 stars suggests there may be minor issues with durability or performance. Additionally, while its features are solid, The McCready slot car set is a great option for families and kids age 6 to 12 who want a thrilling and competitive racing experience. However, its customer rating of 4 stars suggests there may be minor issues with durability or performance. The weight of 4 pounds is slightly heavier than other compact sets. The McCready slot car set is a great option for families and kids age 6 to 12 who want a thrilling and competitive racing experience. While its features are solid, the McCready slot car set is a great option for families and kids age 6 to 12 who want a thrilling and competitive racing experience. It doesn't stand out as much as the higher-ranked sets due to the lack of unique design elements like LED lights or additional track features. It doesn't stand out as much as the higher-ranked sets due to the lack of unique design elements like LED lights or additional track features. It doesn't stand out as much as the higher-ranked sets due to the lack of unique design elements like LED lights or additional track features. It's designed for 2-player racing, and the automatic lap counter adds a competitive edge to the game. While its features are solid, it doesn't stand out as much as the higher-ranked sets due to the lack of unique design elements like LED lights or additional track features. It doesn't stand out as much as the higher-ranked sets due to the lack of unique design elements like LED lights or additional track features. Taking the number 2 spot is the Kimuxalal Slot Car Racetrack Set. This set stands out with its impressive 20.2-foot track, featuring U-shaped slopes, staggered 360-degree loops, and a circular overpass. The addition of LED flash bridges and a pendulum creates an immersive racing experience that is both thrilling and visually engaging. The set comes with 4 high-speed cars capable of reaching up to 370 miles per hour, making it perfect for head-to-head competition. The track is easy to assemble, and the enhanced magnetism keeps the cars stable during high-speed turns. The automatic lap counter ensures that racers can focus on the action without losing track of their progress. One unique feature is its versatility in power modes, allowing users to choose between electric or battery operation. At 4.84 pounds, the set is heavier than some competitors. But the build quality ensures durability and long-lasting enjoyment. The Kimuxalal slot car set is ideal for families looking for a feature-rich racing experience that goes beyond the basics. Its innovative track design, combined with visual and physical elements, makes it a top contender. However, the slightly higher weight and space requirements may be drawbacks for some users. With a customer rating of 4.3 stars, it is a reliable choice for anyone seeking an immersive racing game. Finally, at number 1, we have the White Slot Car Racetrack Set, which stands out as the most well-rounded product on this list. This set offers a massive 18.4-foot track with multiple layouts, including straight tracks, S-shaped curves, circular sections, and a double-layer overpass. The automatic lap counter is a fantastic addition for maintaining competitive gameplay, while the enhanced magnetism ensures the cars stay securely on the track during high-speed runs. The set includes 4 high-speed cars and 2 durable controllers, making it perfect for 2-player races. The cars can reach up to 370 miles per hour, delivering an adrenaline-pumping experience. The track is easy to assemble with its locking system, and the package also includes extra brushes for maintaining optimal car performance. With 2 power modes, electric or battery-powered, this set offers flexibility for racing at home or on the go. The White slot car set earns its top spot thanks to its balance of performance, design, and user-friendly features. It's ideal for kids age 6 to 12, as well as families looking for a fun activity to enjoy together. With a customer rating of 4.3 stars and a robust build quality, it delivers great value. The only minor downside is that it doesn't offer the visual flair of LED lights or unique features like the Kamuxalal set. But its reliability and fun factor make it the best overall choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.